De-stress. Understanding and using the term. Hello dear learners. Today, we'll be exploring the term, de-stress. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Let's dive in. De-stress is a compound word made up of two parts, de and stress. Stress refers to a state of mental or emotional strain resulting from challenging situations. It's that feeling you get when you have too much on your plate or when something is bothering you. The prefix, de, usually means to do the opposite of something or to remove something. So, when you combine the two, de-stress means to relieve or reduce stress. We often use de-stress when talking about activities or actions that help us relax or take our minds off worries. Here are some examples. 1. After a long day at work, I like to de-stress by listening to music. 2. Meditation is a great way to de-stress and calm your mind. 3. Reading a good book is my favorite way to de-stress. Remember, anything that helps you feel relaxed and removes that feeling of being overwhelmed can be a way to de-stress. Sometimes, it's good to know other words or phrases that convey a similar meaning. Here are some synonyms for de-stress. Relax, unwind, chill out, take it easy, ease up. For example, instead of saying, I need to de-stress, you can also say, I need to chill out. And there you have it. Now you know what de-stress means, when to use it, and some synonyms to spice up your conversations. Remember, it's essential to find ways to de-stress in our busy lives. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Happy learning!